Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be talking you around a showstopper approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line 35 TFSI 150 PS Tronic, which is a sophisticated and stylish automotive masterpiece designed to elevate your driving experience. It's in the standout python yellow with a contrast roof, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has just done over 32,300 miles. Showing you the boot area, there is plenty of space for your everyday to-day needs. If need be, you can push the two seats down to create more space for those larger items such as pushchairs or suitcases. To the side of the car's profile, you have the 17-inch alloy wheels in the 5 twin-spoke design, making it stand out on the road. To the rear, you have the cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor points to easily install your child's car seat. Taking a look around, you have plenty of leg space for adults and children alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, with the centre heads-up display, with the leather and cloth upholstery seats, with that extra comfort for those longer journeys ahead. Behind the wheel, you have the multifunction steering wheel with the gear paddle shift allowing you to control transmission without taking your hands off the steering wheel. The Audi virtual cockpit, a cutting-edge digital display that seamlessly integrates information and entertainment, keeping you connected on every journey. Over to the heads-up display, the Audi Driver Select, which is a dynamic driving mode system that enables you to adjust various vehicle settings, driver assist to offer more comfort and increase of safety while driving, parking aid to make parking much easier to fit into those tighter spaces, the use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to have your favourite apps along the way, as well as the choice of DAB radio to listen to, your favourite radio stations to sing in the car. Below is the climate control settings for your preferred temperature, with 2 handy USB ports so you never have low battery on your mobile devices. The all-important automatic gearbox. Give us a call on 01782 488 205.